I bet you've never seen lipstick under 400 times. Zoom, imagine a world without lipstick. Hard to picture, right? But did you know that lipstick has been around for over 5,000 years? Ancient Sumerians were the first to invent and wear lipstick, using crushed gemstones to decorate their lips. This ancient cosmetic wasn't just about beauty. It was a status symbol, a sign of social standing and sophistication. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, and lipstick takes on a whole new role. Cleopatra, known for her striking beauty, made lipstick from crushed carmine beetles, giving her lips a deep red hue. This wasn't just a fashion statement, it was also a way to distinguish social classes. The brighter and richer your lip color, the higher your status in society. But lipstick hasn't always had an easy journey. In the 16th century, Queen Elizabeth I popularized bright red lips among the upper class in England.